Hi, welcome to Believe It or Not. Today we're going to talk a little bit about a forest product called veneer. It comes from really high quality trees. Now this is not a really high quality tree, but to give you a brief of what we might be talking about, or what we will be talking about, is we'll take the high quality trees and we peel off these thin sheets of wood, and that's veneer. So stay tuned and we'll let you know how this happens in the Lake States.
Ooh, yeah.
Hey Georgia.
Yeah.
Sorry, check out this piano.
It's
Look
absolutely,
at that.
yeah, it's the wood grain and the color, it's really nice.
Yeah, what do you suppose something like this might cost?
Well, it might be less than you think because it's made with veneer.
Well, let's talk about that. This is a little piece of veneer. You can see that it's very thin, and you can see the light shines through it too.
And you can also see that there are no imperfections or impurities in the wood grain itself.
Now, manufacturers will take this high quality veneer and glue it on top of a lower quality board.
Yeah, and so this is the veneer on the surface.
That's right. And so they can make expensive looking furniture that really doesn't cost that much.
Which is great for a family on a budget.
So, how do you suppose veneer is made?
Well, it happens to be a really interesting process. Let's visit a mill to find out.
Cool, let's go.
Making veneer begins with the purchase of high-quality logs. A mill needs to maintain an inventory of these logs from different species of trees.
At this mill, most of the veneer is made from sugar maple, but they also make veneer from yellow birch, paper birch, black cherry, and sometimes other species.
Well, Bill, let's take a look inside and see what happens.
Cool, yeah, okay.
When the logs enter the mill, they have to have the bark removed.
Also, logs are not perfect cylinders, so the outer parts are shaved off so that both ends of the log are the same diameter.
Then, the clean logs are mounted here with both ends secured. The machine spins the logs at high speed. Veneer is peeled off, sort of like unrolling a roll of paper towels.
Take a look at this long sheet of veneer moving along the conveyor. That's pretty wild. Who would have thought that you could do that to a log?
From here, the sheets of veneer are dried in this big machine. There's a lot of moisture in green logs, and veneer needs to be dry in order to glue it to another board.
From the dryer, the veneer is cut to sizes that a customer needs. Most veneer mills will cut to order, but there are also a bunch of standard sizes too.
Each sheet of veneer must be inspected on these light tables. The mill wants each sheet to be as perfect as possible.
Finally, the order is stacked, strapped, put on a pallet, and labeled for shipping.
So this veneer can be shipped across the United States or around the world. And so that's how veneer is made.
That's right, Georgia. In fact, if you're sitting at a desk in a classroom right now, the top of that desk might be a veneer.
Yeah, although it may not be made of wood.
That's true. If you're interested in more forest products or about other forestry topics, join us in another episode of
Believe It or Not.
And don't forget to become a subscriber. And if you have a comment, leave it in the comments section.
Thank you for joining us.
You betcha. Hi, I'm Bill.
And I'm Georgia.
And if you like these videos, click on that subscribe button. You can help us out.
Yeah, and if you want to be notified when new episodes come out, just click the bell.
Or if you've got some comments, suggestions for us, we'd love to read about them in the comments section.
We're looking forward to hearing from you.
Believe it or not.